finally lunch time. So today I do have this foldable tray sent to us by Jowua, who specialize on Tesla accessories, and today I'll be using this to have my lunch here. I'm seated in a Tesla Model 3. So this is the right hand drive version. The way it goes is once you unfold it flat, so you see these two curved edges. Since our car is a right hand drive car, the right side curved edge goes just on the door handle, and then this part also fits on the armrest. It's supported well, and now I will have my lunch, which I had prepared last night. It was last night's dinner, which means it is today's lunch. So I can comfortably have my lunch, and I do have enough space on this tray to put a water bottle and maybe other stuffs as well, like I can put another bottle of Coke. I can enjoy my lunch. Another advantage of having this tray while having your lunch is that there's no risk of your food getting trapped in between the armrest and the seat. So previously, when we didn't have this kind of tray, and there was a risk that all the food could get spilled on the floor, and the next day to clean it would be a hassle. So yeah, I think this is a very useful item sent to us by Jowua. While you are on a road trip and charging your car, you can enjoy your lunch while the car charges. So yeah, that's another benefit, I would say. You can just park somewhere, like we have parked nearby this beautiful park in. Yes, we just charged our car a while ago, and once the charging was done, since it was a very fast charger, we didn't have enough time to finish our lunch while the car would charge. So we came nearby this beautiful park here in Yas, and we're enjoying our lunch, and I'm having my lunch on top of this foldable tray. And it's not just for the driver. Even if you are at the front passenger seat, you can enjoy your lunch on top of this foldable tray. Okay, so this part goes here on the door handle, just as so, and this base will rest on the armrest. So yeah, as you can see here, it's a very nice desk in front of me, and there's this silicone at the base which will rest on the armrest, on top of the armrest. So as you can see, it's very snug, it's quite nicely fit. I'll show you how I can use my laptop while on the passenger side. So yeah, my whole bag is over here. Yeah, so I've got my laptop here, and I've also got my mouse over here. I've got enough space to use my mouse with my laptop. If you are a person like me who works with a laptop and a mouse and needs to log in sometimes while on the road, this tray is very useful. I don't need to find a park or a table or a shopping mall. I can just work from my car using this foldable tray. It sits very snug, enough room to rest my arms. I can also maybe charge it using this Type-C cable here, from here. Yeah, and you can also use this foldable tray at the back seats, but you will of course need some extra accessories which you can find on Jowua's website. Yeah, so the Jowua foldable tray is very useful, not just for eating food while on the road, but also to work from either from driver seat or from passenger seat or from the back seat. So next thing I do like is it's gold plated. The hinges, this part is gold plated as well, so which is nice. It's very rigid, and yeah, it's durable and of nice quality. Once I'm done with my lunch, I can easily place this tray right here. Yeah, I highly recommend you get this foldable tray from Jowua. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.